everyone, my name is Anandita Rate and I am from 5B, and today I am going to tell you how to do this well. You can also put water in this well and draw it. So to do this well, we need a cardboard like this and cut it in circle. And now take a tissue paper, do like this, and put some glue and water in a bowl. Mix it well. Use your old brush to apply it on the cardboard and tissue paper like this so that the tissue paper can be stick to the cardboard. When it is done, leave it for 4 hours to dry completely. It will look like this. Cardboard I have cut earlier and paste tissue paper now I have colored grey. We have pasted the tissue paper on the cardboard so that the color will stick on it. If we color it directly, the color will not stick. And now take a can of Pringles, and if you don't have it, you can also use cardboard. And now use some cardboard, cut it into squares and paste it on the Pringles. On the Pringles can or the cardboard. Cover the whole can with the cardboards like the squares so that it can give a look like bricks. Like this. So the can on which I have pasted the cardboard and the tissue paper I have colored grey and do the black lining so that it gives me a look of bricks. When you have done the black lining, spread the black color inside like this. And now paste the well in the center of this. Now to this type of circles using tissue paper, or you can use newspaper also. Paste it here. Now color it grey in color. So here I have pasted the cardboard like this in the middle, and now cut 2 circles of cardboard like this. Cut it like this, and now paste it here also. Paste it together like this, and it will give a look like a pool. So here I have made grass like this with the help of the green chart paper. I have cut it in stripes and pasted it here. And I have pasted some fake plants like this with the help of the hot glue. And now we do a bucket like this with the help of a bottle cap. And now take a wool or rope. This I have taken. Do like this. Now tie the bucket with the help of a wool like this. Now tie the bucket with the help of a wool like this. And in the well I have put water. You can also put the water. And if you are doing the well with the help of a cardboard, first put a plastic bottle inside the middle of the plastic bottle and then put the water. So here the water.